Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create an account on blueSky. So simply just visit the website which is bluesky.app, or if you have mobile, so you will just download the app from the app store. So simply just tab on create account, and you will just provide your hosting website if you have. If you know, so no need to worry, you will just simply, it is optional, you will go for the next is enter your official email address, and you will just create your strong password and set the date of birth, and simply just tap on it next button, so your account will be created. I will already create it. I will just show you after creating how it's look. So I will just simply log in. So wait for the moment. So I'm going to just simply logged in my account. So here is the interface after creating your account simply. So what gonna do, you will just tap on your profile which is left, and you will just edit your profile after creating your account. It is a basic and simple. You will just set the profile picture with a professional, and you can just create an avatar on it, and from the back you will just set a back cover, and you will just select your display name which is a unique title. So from here you will just add your biography and just tap on it, simply save changes, so your account will be created simply. Now you will just have to use it. You will just follow the people of users on it simply. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.